How can I update parental controls on Google Family Link when my child turns 13?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial topic for all parents who use Google Family Link: how to update the parental controls when your child turns 13. We'll guide you step by step so you can adjust the settings with ease and confidence.
What happens when your child turns 13 on Google Family Link?
When your child turns 13, or the applicable age in your country, they can opt to manage their own Google account. Google's Family Link automatically adjusts to this age of digital consent. However, they can still remain in the family group and enjoy certain supervision like device location and app management. Importantly, if your child chooses to manage their own account, the parental supervision features will stop.
How do I maintain supervision?
If your child does not take action to manage their own Google account after a brief period, Google may keep the supervision features turned on. This is done to ensure their online safety. But, remember, your child can choose to take control of their account at any point after they've reached the applicable age in your country.
Can I prevent my child from taking control of their account?
No, once your child reaches the appropriate age, Google gives them the right to manage their account. As a parent, you won't be able to prevent this from happening if your child decides to take control. However, Google does send an email to the family manager and the child to inform them of this change. This will help you engage in a dialogue with your child about online safety and guidelines.
How can I update the settings?
While you can't prevent your child from taking control of their account, you can adjust the settings as long as supervision is still active. 1. Open the Family Link app. 2. Select your child's name. 3. Navigate to the Settings tab. 4. From here, you can manage settings like Safe Search, app approvals, screen time limits, and others. Remember, these settings will only apply if your child has not chosen to take control of their account. And that's a wrap on updating parental controls on Google Family Link when your child turns 13. Remember, communication is key in this transition phase. Discuss with your child about the importance of safe internet practices. Hope this video has been helpful and answered your queries. Stay safe and stay informed.